Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best LinkIQ Cable+Network is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone working with network cabling. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a home network enthusiast, this device simplifies the process of verifying cable performance and network connectivity. It offers a comprehensive suite of tests, from basic cable testing to advanced network troubleshooting, making it an invaluable asset for ensuring optimal network performance and quickly identifying and resolving issues. Number 5. Klein Tools VDV 500-820 Wire Tracer Kit. This kit includes a professional-grade analog tone generator. It helps you accurately and efficiently trace open-ended, non-energized wiring. The tone generator features 5 distinct tone cadences. It can transmit signals over 1,000 feet, ensuring reliable tracing capabilities. It has rugged angled bed of nails, ABN, clips. These clips securely attach to wires, providing a stable connection during tracing operations. The kit includes an RJ11 plug. This plug easily connects to telephone and RJ45 data jacks, allowing for convenient toning of wire pairs. It tests for continuity and polarity. Clearly labeled LEDs indicate the results for easy interpretation. The probe features a 3.5mm headphone jack. This allows for use in noisy environments, ensuring clear audio feedback during tracing. The probe comes with a responsive probe. It is equipped with a durable non-metallic, replaceable conductive tip for long-lasting performance and precise tracing. What we like. This kit features a professional-grade tone generator, making it perfect for accurate wire tracing. It offers versatile tone cadences, ensuring reliable signal transmission over long distances. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to trace wires in various environments, this is the tool for you. What people say. The LinkIQ is a great tool for network technicians. It has a lot of features that make it easy to troubleshoot network issues. The cable testing features are very useful for verifying cable integrity. Number 4. Fluke 323 Clamp Meter. This clamp meter measures AC current up to 400 amps. It's designed for commercial and residential electricians. This feature allows you to easily and safely measure current in a circuit. The Fluke 323 can measure both AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts. This allows the user to test a wide range of electrical systems. It's a versatile tool for any electrician. This meter also measures resistance and checks for continuity. It can measure resistance up to 4 kiloohms. The audible continuity sensor confirms that the circuit conducts electricity. The true RMS sensing ensures accurate readings, regardless of the waveform. This is particularly important when dealing with nonlinear loads. This feature provides reliable results in various situations. The jaw opening can measure current in a conductor up to 30 mm. It meets IEC safety standard 61010-1 and is rated for Cat 4 installations to 300V and Cat 3 installations to 600V. This ensures the user's safety during operation. The Fluke 323 comes with a 2-year warranty and a soft carrying case. This provides peace of mind and makes it easy to transport and store the meter. It's a complete package for any electrician. What we like. This clamp meter accurately measures AC current and voltage, providing true RMS readings for both linear and nonlinear loads. It also includes an audible continuity sensor for quick circuit checks. If you are a commercial or residential electrician who needs a reliable and accurate meter for various electrical measurements, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a reliable quality meter that gives accurate measurements. It is easy to use, has plenty of features and is small enough to take anywhere. It can be used for many different common applications from voltages, amps, resistances, and continuity. Number 3. Fluke Networks FiberAlert 125 Fiber Optic Tester. This is the Fluke Networks FiberAlert 125. It's a fiber optic cable tester and detector. It helps you quickly and easily identify active fiber optic cables. The FiberAlert 125 detects optical power in both single-mode and multimode fiber wavelengths. It operates in the near-infrared range, from 850 to 1625 nanometers. This ensures it can handle a wide variety of fiber optic applications. There's no setup or interpretation needed. The device uses light and sound to indicate the presence of an optical signal. This makes it incredibly easy to use, saving you time and effort. The non-contact detector minimizes the risk of damage to fiber optics. It's suitable for various connections, including ports, patch cords, and SM, UPC, and APC connections. This feature protects your valuable equipment. A light beat flashes to indicate operation and battery status. It also powers off automatically after 5 minutes to conserve battery life. The device uses 2 AAA batteries, which are included. The FiberAlert 125 comes with a 2-year warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the product is backed by a reliable warranty. What we like. This fiber optic cable tester detects optical power in both single-mode and multimode fibers, with no setup required. The non-contact design minimizes the risk of damage to fiber optics. If you work with fiber optic cables and need a simple, reliable way to verify signal presence, this is the perfect tool. What people say. The LinkIQ is a great tool for network cabling and troubleshooting. It is easy to use and provides accurate results. The LinkIQ is a great time saver and helps to quickly identify and resolve network issues. Number 2. Fluke Networks MT8200-49A Copper Tester. This is a cable tester that simplifies the process of verifying wire maps. It uses LEDs to quickly identify any faults. This makes it easy to ensure your cables are correctly wired. The tester can identify various cable faults. These include open circuits, shorts, crossed pairs, reversed pairs, and split pairs. The easy-to-read display shows the exact nature of the problem. It is designed to test twisted pair cables. It checks for open circuits, shorts, crossed pairs, reversed pairs, and split pairs. This helps ensure the integrity of your network cables. The remote identifier allows for one-person testing. This feature streamlines the testing process, making it more efficient. You can easily test cables without needing assistance. The cable tester has an easy-to-read fault display. This feature provides clear information about any issues. It helps you quickly diagnose and resolve cable problems. What we like. This cable tester quickly verifies wire maps and identifies faults using LEDs. The remote identifier allows for one-person testing, making troubleshooting easier. If you need a straightforward tool for basic cable testing and fault identification, this is a great option. What people say. The LinkIQ is a great tool for network technicians. It has a lot of features that make troubleshooting network issues easier. The cable testing features are very accurate and helpful. Number 1. Fluke Networks LinkIQ Cable+Network Tester Kit. This kit from Fluke Networks is designed for comprehensive cable and network testing. It helps you ensure your network infrastructure is performing optimally. It's a must-have tool for any network professional. The LinkIQ can test cable performance up to 10 base T using frequency-based measurements. This ensures that your cables meet the required standards for high-speed data transmission. This feature helps you identify potential bottlenecks. It provides essential network features, including IPv4 and IPv6 ping tests. The tester can also diagnose the nearest switch, displaying its IP address, name, port, VLAN number, and advertised data rates. This helps to quickly identify network issues. The LinkIQ is Ethernet Alliance certified for PO verification. It detects the PO class, 1 to 8, and power available. It also performs a load test of the PO from the connected switch. This ensures the device is receiving the correct power. The tester displays cable length, wire map, and the distance to any open or short circuits. This helps you quickly identify and troubleshoot cable problems. This feature saves time and improves efficiency. You can manage your test results and generate reports using Linkware PC software. This allows you to document your testing and share results with others. This feature helps with record keeping and collaboration. The kit includes an IntelliTone probe to assist in locating cables. This is a valuable tool for quickly finding specific cables in a bundle. It simplifies cable tracing and saves time. What we like. This tester excels in cable performance testing up to 10 base T, providing detailed network diagnostics, including IPv4 and v6 ping, and nearest switch information. It also offers Ethernet Alliance certified pull verification. If you're a network technician or IT professional needing comprehensive cable and network testing capabilities, you should consider this. What people say. Has all needed features, remotes work great and will save you a ton of effort. The LinkIQ tester is accurate, reliable, and makes troubleshooting cables a breeze. This tool allows you to track Cat5 in homes and business buildings and condos in seconds. You read that right, seconds. We now test all cables to 10 gig load instead of just 8 pass. This 10 gig test has eliminated cable-related service calls. It is spendy, but look at it as money in the bank, as you will have it fully paid off in no time with the time savings on site. Before we got this, we could spend hours looking for a cable. This device tells to the exact port on the exact router or switch. Once you use it, you will wish you bought it years ago. A 10/10 experience in every measure. It is worth twice the price. All of our leads now have one. We did put an Apple Air tag in it to track it like a van. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.